Yo, what's going on, friends? It's Jonathan, and I'm in San Francisco for the launch of the brand new Galaxy S10, Galaxy S10 Plus, and the all-new Galaxy S10e. We have a lot to talk about and several videos to make, so if you don't want to miss out on all of my Galaxy S10 coverage, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. In this video, I'm going to give you 10 reasons why you should upgrade to the Galaxy S10e from the Galaxy S9. Number 1, price. The Galaxy S10e is the cheapest of the three new Samsung Galaxy phones, coming in at $749. Number 2, larger battery. The Galaxy S10e has a slightly larger battery versus the one found on the Galaxy S9, coming in at 3,000 mAh versus 3,100 mAh. While this may not sound like a lot, when combined with the new Snapdragon 855 and better software efficiency, you will see a nice bump up in battery life. Number 3, wireless power share. The Galaxy S10e supports reverse wireless charging, giving you the ability to charge other wireless devices, including the new Galaxy Buds, by simply turning it on in the quick toggle menu and placing the device on the back of the Galaxy S10e. Number 4, more RAM and more storage. The Galaxy S10e comes standard with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, which can be upgraded to 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, plus you get micro SD card support. Number 5, a better display. The Galaxy S10e, while having a lower resolution display, is without a doubt better than the one on the S9. It's brighter, more color accurate, has a higher contrast ratio, and if you weren't a fan of the curved edges, you'll love the fact that the S10e has a flat display. Number 6, a better fingerprint scanner location. All of the Galaxy S10 models feature a redesign, with the power button being in a much better location versus the S9 models. However, the S10e's power button also doubles as a fingerprint scanner, which is night and day better than the one on the S9. Number 7, an extra camera. The Galaxy S10e comes equipped with an additional ultra-wide angle camera on the backside, whereas the Galaxy S9 only has a single camera design. Number 8, a better front-facing camera. From my time using the S10e, I noticed a significant bump up in quality with the front-facing camera thanks to the new 10-megapixel sensor and improved camera processing. There's also 4K video now on the front versus Quad HD only on the S9. Number 9, HDR10 Plus video. The Galaxy S10e supports video capture in HDR10 Plus up to 4K 30 frames per second for extreme dynamic range. Number 10, super steady video. The S10e features OIS in its standard lens just like the S9, however it also utilizes the same technology as the GoPro Hero 7 in terms of its software-based stabilization, which was created by Qualcomm. Well, the Galaxy S10e is looking like the real star of the show here. If Samsung accepts trade-ins like they have done in the past, then trading in your S9 for a substantial discount on the S10e is a no-brainer. Between what I just talked about and the new Prism colors, I'm really stoked about this phone. What do you guys think? Should we cop it or should we stop it? Sound off down below. Stay tuned for more S10 coverage. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and I'll talk to you in the next one.